म अम्बिका हाङबाङ यहाँहरूलाई नमस्कार गर्दै आज पनि आइसकेँ। अङ्ग्रेजी सिके रेडियो कार्यक्रममा यहाँहरूलाई स्वागत गर्छु। चैत्र 11 गते यता देश लकडाउनमा छ। सायद हाम्रो दैनिकी फेरि के होला, होइन त? लकडाउनलाई विभिन्न माध्यमबाट शिक्षा लिन अवसरको रूपमा पनि प्रयोग गरौँ, हुन्छ होइन? ल त विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनी हो, अब रेडियो सेटको नजिक आउनुहोस् है। यो अङ्ग्रेजी सिके रेडियो कार्यक्रम हरेक दिन यसै समयमा रेडियो तमोर 102 मेगाहर्जमा साँझ 7:30 बजेदेखि 7 बजेसम्म र रेडियो आठराई 101.2 मेगाहर्जमा साँझको 7:30 बजेदेखि 8 बजेसम्म सुन्न सक्नुहुनेछ। नोटबुक, कलम, पाठ्यपुस्तक र रेकर्ड गर्न मिल्ने सामग्री तयारी अवस्थामा पक्कै राख्नुभएकै होला, होइन? यदि छैन भने तयार गर्दै गर्नुहोस् ल। आजको बसाइमा अनिवार्य अङ्ग्रेजी विषय अन्तर्गत कक्षा 12 को द हेरिटेज अफ वर्ड्स भित्रको एक कथा द बोर्डिङ हाउस अर्थात् आवास गृहको बारेमा चर्चा गर्नेछौँ। आजका प्रस्तुतिका झलकहरू।
She is very patient.
Polly is the daughter of Mrs. Moni.
ल त विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, ढिला नगरी आजको बसाइको उठान गरिहालौँ। प्रस्तुति सहित आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ युवराज गौतम। ल त अब कक्षा कोठामै प्रवेश गरौँ, हुन्छ होइन?
Hi everyone, it's me Yuvraj Gautam. Today I am present here to facilitate the study from the English book The Heritage of Words from grade 12. The title of the story is The Boarding House. सबै विद्यार्थीहरूलाई न्यानो स्वागत। म युवराज गौतम आज पुनः अंग्रेजी विषयलाई सहजीकरण गर्नका लागि उपस्थित भएको छु। आज म कक्षा 12 को अंग्रेजी किताब द हेरिटेज अफ वर्ड्स को एक कथा द बोर्डिङ हाउस लाई सहजीकरण गर्न तपाईहरुमाझ आइसकेको छु। सबै तयारी अवस्थामा हुनुहुन्छ नि, हैन त?
छौं सर।
सर्वप्रथम यस कथाको शीर्षक बारे चर्चा गरौं है। के तपाईहरुलाई बोर्डिङ हाउस भनेको के हो थाहा छ?
थाहा छैन सर, बोर्डिङ स्कुल भनेको मात्र सुनेको छु। भनिदिनुहोस् न, के हो यो बोर्डिङ हाउस भनेको?
ल त्यसो भए बोर्डिङ स्कुल भनेको के हो भन न त।
खै सर, बोर्डिङ स्कुल भनेको इङ्ग्लिस स्कुल होला नि।
त्यसो भए सुन है त, अब म भनिदिन्छु। बोर्डिङ हाउसको शाब्दिक अर्थ आवास गृह हो, अर्थात् पर्यटकलाई खाना र बस्ने व्यवस्था भएको घर हो, वा हामी होमस्टे भन्छौं नि, त्यस्तै हो। बुझ्यौ? अनि बोर्डिङ स्कुल भनेको चाहिँ विद्यालयमै बस्ने व्यवस्था भएको विद्यालय हो। बुझ्यौ नि अब त?
सर, हामी पनि अस्ति इलाम घुम्न गएका थियौं र होमस्टेमा बसेका थियौं। के त्यस्तै हो?
हो नि। अब बुझ्यौ हैन त? त्यसो भए
बुझे सर।
Now let's start our lesson. But before starting the lesson, I will give you some questions, and dear students, try to find out the answer from the text. Now listen the questions carefully. Question number 1. Who is Miss Polly? Who is Miss Polly? Similarly, second question. Why did Mrs. Mooney leave her husband? Listen again. Why did Mrs. Mooney leave her husband? This story is written by James Joyce, an Irish writer. In this story, he has presented the experiences of adolescents. This is the story of middle-class family in Dublin, capital city of Ireland. Now, let's talk about the characters. Mrs. Mooney is the main character, daughter of a butcher who got married to Mr. Mooney, who was the helper of her father.
सर बुचर भनेको के हो?
बुचर भनेको मासु बेच्ने मान्छे हो। मुनि यस कथाकी मुख्य पात्र हुन्। उनी एक मासु बेच्ने की छोरी हुन्छिन् र उनले आफ्नो बुबाको पसलमा काम गर्ने सँग विवाह गरेकी हुन्छिन्। Similarly, Miss Polly, a daughter of Mrs. Mooney, who falls in love with Mr. Doran, and Mr. Doran is the young boy who lives in boarding house. त्यसैगरी मिस पोली यस कथाकी अर्की पात्र हुन् जो मिसेस मुनी की छोरी हुन्। उनी मिस्टर डोरानसँग प्रेममा पर्छिन् र डोरान भनेका त्यही उनीहरूकै बोर्डिङ हाउसमा बस्ने एक मानिस हुन्। अब हामी यस कथाको नेपाली सारांश सुरु गरौँ है। सर्वप्रथम कथा ध्यान दिएर सुन्न, त्यसपछि इंग्लिश समरी लेख्न पनि सजिलो हुन्छ।
हुन्छ सर।
मिसेस मुनी एक मासु काट्नेकी छोरी हुन्। उनी साह्रै मेहनती छिन्। उनी जस्तो सुकै चुनौतीको सामना गर्न पनि सक्षम छिन्। उनी आइपर्ने अवरोधको समाधान गर्न संघर्ष गर्छिन्। उनी धैर्य पनि छिन्। कुनै पनि निर्णय गर्नु परेमा हतारिएर गर्दिनन्। सोचेर र सही समयको प्रतीक्षा गर्छिन्। उनको व्यवसाय धेरैले मन पराउँदैनन्, तर पनि त्यो कुराले उनलाई कुनै पनि प्रभाव गर्दैन र ती आलोचना गर्ने मानिसहरूको पछि पनि कुद्दिनन्। मिसेस मुनीले आफ्नो बुबाको पसलमा काम गर्ने एक मानिससँग विवाह गर्छिन्। विवाह पश्चात उनले पनि मासु पसल सञ्चालन गरिन्, जुन उनीहरूको आम्दानीको राम्रो स्रोत थियो। तर उनको श्रीमान अत्यन्तै मादक पदार्थ सेवन गर्ने भएकाले आम्दानी जति सबै सक्नुको साथै धेरै ऋणमा पनि फस्छन्। त्यसैले गर्दा उनीहरूको झगडा पनि पर्छ। एक दिन त हातमा चक्कु लिएर खेदाउँछ र मिसेस मुनि छिमेकीको घरमा लुकेर आफ्नो ज्यान बचाउँछिन्। त्यसै कारणले उनीहरूको सम्बन्ध विच्छेद हुन्छ। त्यस दिन पश्चात उनी आफ्ना 2 सन्तानहरू ज्याक र पोली को जिम्मेवारी लिएर बेग्लै बस्न थाल्छिन् र छोराछोरी त्यसपछि उनले आफ्नो र छोराछोरीको जीविकोपार्जन गर्नका लागि आफूसँग भएको केही पैसा लगानी गरेर एक आवास गृह जहाँ पर्यटक त्यसै गरेर कार्यालयका कर्मचारी कलाकारहरू आएर खाने बस्ने ठाउँ सञ्चालन गर्न सुरु गर्छिन्, अर्थात् होटल एन्ड लज सुरु गर्छिन्। उनकी छोरी 19 वर्षकी छिन् जसको नाम पोली हो। उनको शरीर पातलो र कपाल भने लामो र नरम छ। मिसेस मुनिले पोलीलाई घरायसी काम गर्न लगाउँछिन्। उनी त्यहाँ जानेहरूको लागि अर्थात् त्यहाँ जाने ग्राहकहरूको लागि आकर्षणको केन्द्र हुन्। त्यहाँ जानेहरू मध्ये मिस्टर डोरान एक युवक हुन्। पोली र मिस्टर डोरान प्रेम सम्बन्धमा हुन्छन् र यो सम्बन्ध त्यो घरमा बस्ने सबैलाई थाहा हुन्छ। तर मिसेस मुनि पनि यस सम्बन्धमा मौन हुन्छन् र त्यसको हस्तक्षेप पनि गर्दिनन्। पोलीलाई पनि उनकी आमा मिसेस मुनिलाई यो कुरा थाहा छ भन्ने बुझिसकेकी हुन्छन् र अन्त्यमा मिसेस मुनि यस सम्बन्धको बारेमा पोली र डोरानसँग कुरा गर्ने निर्णयमा पुग्छिन्। उनी पोली र डोरान बीचको प्रेम सम्बन्ध वैवाहिक सम्बन्धमा परिणत होस् भन्ने चाहन्छन्। पोलीले आमालाई डोरानसँगको सम्बन्धको बारेमा सबै कुरा भन्छन् र आमाले डोरानसँग कुरा गर्न चाहन्छन्। तर डोरान भने चाहिँ गफ गर्ने होइन कि त्यहाँबाट भाग्न चाहन्छ। डोरान पोलीसँग विवाह गर्न चाहँदैन। पोली एक अनपढ, अंग्रेजी बोल्न नजान्ने, ती माथि उसको बुबालाई समाजले राम्रो मान्दैन र व्यवसायको पनि नाम त्यस्तो चलेको छैन भन्ने लाग्छ डोरानलाई। डोरानलाई उसका साथीहरूले हाँसो बनाउने र उसको परिवारले पनि त्यो विवाह स्वीकार नगर्ने भन्ने लाग्छ। फेरि यदि विवाह नगर्दा उसलाई जागिरबाट निकाल्ने सम्भावना पनि त्यत्तिकै सोच्छ। यसरी यस्तो दोधारको बीच कथाको अन्त्य हुन्छ। निर्णय के हुन्छ भन्ने कुरा यस कथामा खुलाएको छैन। यद्यपि डोरानले त्यो प्रस्ताव पक्कै स्वीकार गर्छन्। यति हुँदै यस कथाको अन्त्य हुन्छ। Now be ready to write the English summary or central idea of this story. Are you ready, dear student?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's start. Mrs. Mooney was a daughter of a butcher. She was a hard-working woman and can face challenges that appear in day-to-day life. She solves every obstacles, obstacles, obstacles. She is very patient and waits the proper time to take decisions and never make decisions in haste. 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 Although many people don't like her business, but doesn't run after the people who criticize her. Mrs. Mooney married to the helper of her father. They started a butcher's shop. It was good source of income, but later her husband turned into a heavy drunkard and finished all the income and also fell in the debt. One day he chased his wife with a knife in his hand. Mrs. Mooney saved herself hiding in the neighbor's house. Therefore, they got divorced. From that day, she started living separately with her two children, Jack, a son, and Polly, her daughter. After that, she started a boarding house. With little money she had, it becomes very popular among the tourists, musicians, and workers because they were friendly to each other. Mrs. Mooney gives her daughter Polly housework to do so that she meets young men. Polly was just 19 years old. She was slim with long hair. She enjoyed talking to them. One of the young men who comes there is Mr. Doran. Miss Polly and Mr. Doran falls in love. They have a special relation, but Mrs. Mooney doesn't interfere them. Just she watched them carefully. Polly knows that her mother is watching them. At last, Mrs. Mooney decided to talk to Polly and Doran. about their relationship. Polly tells everything about the love affair with Doran. Then she calls Doran to talk and settle the matter. But Doran doesn't want to go, but instead he wants to flee from there. Flee, flee, that means to run away. He doesn't want to marry her because he thinks that she is uneducated and won't speak English properly. People talks badly about her father, and mother's boarding house doesn't have good name. His friends will laugh at her. He is not sure that his family will accept her, so he doesn't want to marry her. But he also thinks that if he doesn't marry, he will be expelled from the job. Expelled, expelled from the job. He also thinks the happiest moments that he has spent with her. Likewise, the story ends in the suspense. We don't know the decision. However, we can say that he must have agreed to marry Miss Polly. Now, listen, here is a character sketch of Mrs. Mooney, which is repeatedly asked in the examination. Now, listen carefully. Mrs. Mooney is the woman of determination, determination, determination and courage. She is presented here bold as a bold woman. Without the male support, she has started the hotel where she needs to monitor the intentioned intentioned youths too. She has played a vital role to educate her children and manage the children's life. She is also very strategic as she finds out the secret that something is going between Doran and Polly. But also she controls herself and waits the time to speak to them, which can help Polly and Doran to be together. She is the bold female character and so strong both in her belief and action. She is not nervous when she breaks up with her husband. She is independent and very clever. She is cool, calm, and collected in nature. In short, she is such a bold character that moves in each difficulties and her each moves makes her picturesque. This is a short character sketch of Mrs. Mooney. Now, here's the next question. Listen very carefully. Why didn't Mrs. Mooney try to stop the love affair between her daughter Polly and Doran? Listen again. Why didn't Mrs. Mooney try to stop the love affair between Polly and Doran? Now listen the answer. Mrs. Mooney didn't try to stop the love affair between Polly and Doran because she knew that Polly and Doran had sexual relationship. So she wanted them to marry and continue their relation. Now, dear students, it's the time to give the answer of the questions asked before starting the lesson. First, the question was, who is Polly? Who is Polly?
Polly is the daughter of Mrs. Mooney, who is 19 years. She is slim with long hair.
Good answer. Now, listen to the next question. Why did Mrs. Mooney leave her husband?
Left her husband because her husband was drunkard and finished all income, and also once he chased her with knife on his hand.
Absolutely correct answer. Now, it's the time for homework. अब पालो गृह कार्यको. Write the question. Question number 1. How did Mrs. Mooney solve the problem of her daughter? How did Mrs. Mooney solve the problem of her daughter? Thank you, dear students. Today, this much only. See you soon in the next program. Bye.
युवराज गौतम सरलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। कार्यक्रम कस्तो लाग्यो? आजको बसाई सिकाइमूलक बन्यो होला। कार्यक्रम सुन्दै प्रश्न तथा जिज्ञासा टिप्पण गर्नुभयो के होला, होइन? प्रश्न तथा जिज्ञासा अंग्रेजी सिके रेडियो कार्यक्रमको फेसबुक पेज @radioeducationSPF को इनबक्समा र radioprogramSPF@gmail.com मा पठाउन सक्नुहुनेछ। प्रश्न तथा जिज्ञासाको समाधान सहित थप सिकाइको लागि भोलिको कार्यक्रममा पुनः भेट हुनेछ। पठन पाठनको क्रममा कुनै जिज्ञासा भए निम्न ठेगानामा सम्पर्क गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। ठेगाना र सम्पर्क टिप्न तयार हुनुहोस् है। ह्युमेन प्र्याक्टिस फाउन्डेसन फुङलिङ नगरपालिका 4 ताप्लेजुङ। फोन नम्बर 024 461 047। हवस् त, आगामी अङ्कमा पुनः भेट हुनेछ। म अम्बिका हाङबाङ बिदा हुन्छु। नमस्ते। घरमै बसौँ, सुरक्षित रहौँ, रेडियो सुनौँ र पढौँ। धन्यवाद।